Page number 205, exercise 13.5. Exercise 13.5. Question number 1 we had done last time, you remember? Can you see the whiteboard? Question number 1 we had done last time, where we had converted degrees into Fahrenheit. You remember this? And there were few steps that you had followed, and all 5 sums I asked you to do in the book. Today you will do those sums in copy. Question number 1, 13.5 exercise. All 5 sums A, B, C, D, E you will do in your fair copies. How you will do? The steps are given just above it. All of you mute your mic, otherwise you will not be able to hear me properly. I want everybody to mute their mic. Hania Arhan. Hania Arhan, mute your mic. 13.5, page number 205. Question number 1. How you will do that I explained you last time. Convert degree into Fahrenheit. 10 is given. First step is multiply the number by 9. Second step is divide the product by 5. Third step is add 32. And example was also given. So you have to do all these A, B, C, D, E in fair copies. Today we are going to do Fahrenheit into Celsius. Here there are certain steps here also. Step 1, subtract 32. Now here we have to subtract 32. This is step 1. Step 2, multiply by 5. Whatever we will get after subtracting 32, we will multiply by 5. Alright? And then step 3, whatever we will get here, we will divide by 9. So here are also 3 steps in question number 2 of exercise 13.5, where you have to convert this Fahrenheit into Celsius. Step 1 is whatever is the number given to you, first subtract 32 from it. After subtracting 32, whatever you will get, that number you will multiply by 5. And then in the third step you will divide the number by 9. Now see the example which is given below it. The example is saying convert 68 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now see the step 1, 68 is given to you, so according to step 1 we have to subtract 32. This means 68 minus 32. How much it is giving us? It is giving us 36. Now according to step 2, we have to multiply this 36 by 5. So we are going to multiply 36 and 5. It will give us 180. Then according to third step, we have to divide 180 by 9. We have to divide 180 by 9. It will give us 20. So answer is 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, steps are clear to everybody. First subtract 32, then multiply by 5, then divide by 9. Now come on to the chart. That is question number 2, chart. First sum is 59. 59. First we subtract 32 from it. How much we will get? Subtract 27. Okay, so first step we will get 27. Now, after 27, we have to multiply it by 5. Multiply this by 5. 135 we will get. 135. 35. 135. Then now we have to divide it by 9. We have to divide it by 9. That is divide by 9. So we will get answer 15. Answer will be yes. So what is our answer? 15. Clear? Similarly, now come on to second question. 86. First step is we have to subtract. Don't run so fast. Who is answering everything so fast? First step, question number 2, 86 is the number given to us. First step is we have to subtract 32 from 86. How much we will get? 54. 54 we will get after subtracting 32 from 86. Yes. Now we have to multiply 54 by 5. How much we will get? We will get 270. What we will get? Now 270 we have to divide by 9. How much we will get? 30 will be your answer. Yes, 30 will be your answer. Is it clear to everybody? Similarly, question number C, D, and E. Question number C, D, and E. A, B, C, D, E. All 5 sums you have to do in your fair copies. Question number 1 also A, B, C, D, E. And question number 2 also A, B, C, D, E. Clear? And you have to, how you have to do, please listen carefully. You have to do as it is given in the example. Can you see the steps which are used in the example? These are the way, this is the way how you have to do. You will write step 1, this, step 2, this, step 3, this, and then answer. Okay? Is it clear? You don't have to make chart. Don't make chart. Do follow the steps which are given in the example. Step 1, this, step 2, this, step 3, this, step 4, this, and then answer in all the 5 sums A, B, C, D, E. Both the questions. Any doubt, anything which is not clear, please ask. Hurry up. Yes. Yes, Manvi, ask. No, no, because no, I will not send because steps are already given in the question. Examples, the steps which are given in the example, you have to follow the same pattern. Okay, how you will do? Question number 1, you will copy 10 and then copy the steps. Question number 2, 24, again steps. Question number 3, 35, again steps. Question number 4, 72, again steps. And then question number 500, again steps. Then you will copy question number 2, 59 steps, 86 steps, 95 steps, 104 steps, 212 steps. Yes, now you ask Kritisha. Yes, of course, beta. I have just explained you. You have to write degree Celsius. Otherwise, how in exam you have to write this in answer. Okay. Like if you have any problem for rupees, so in answer you write the itne rupees as answer. Similarly, in degree and Fahrenheit also you have to mention whether the answer is coming in Fahrenheit or the answer is coming in Celsius. You have to mention it. All right. You have to follow the pattern which is given in example, and you don't have to make any chart. Clear to everybody? This is your today's work, homework for math. Question number 1 and 2, all five sums. Total 10 sums you have to do today. Clear? Before our next class starts, before our next class starts at 9:30, I want maths work to be finished. Clear everybody? Okay.